I was at work and someone left water on the floor in the bathroom, and I ended up slipping and falling and severely injuring my back. Well, when I dealt with other attorneys, I talked with them, and one of them made me feel like, it was that person was like a vulture circling me. But with Mossberg, they talked to me, they dealt with my doctors, they made sure I had good doctors. When I had someone in my corner fighting for me, as opposed to fighting against me and telling me, oh, I have to do this, you need to do that, that really made me feel really good. They didn't have to tell me how hard we were going to fight, because they were already doing it. They told me, if you need to stay home and rest and recover, you stay home and rest and recover. I was getting phone calls from work, the day after the injury, asking me why I'm at work, when I'm going to come back to work. And I said, I just had a disastrous fall, and you want me to come back the next day? The world can be really cynical at times, and you see a lot of people out who seem to be looking for just their own interest and what they can get out of you, or how they can use you. I would not advise doing that by yourself, especially there's so many loopholes and bureaucratic red tape to go through, and things that the average person wouldn't know. I don't know where I would have been without Mossberg, because they wanted me to go back to work. They didn't want me to go to my doctors. They didn't want to take care of my medication. They didn't want to do a lot of things that I needed in my life, and that I didn't know I had the right to do. I hope I don't have to go through it again, but if I ever had any issue, I know who to call. I know exactly who to deal with, who to call. First, they had them on my phone, and if any of my friends have any problems, I know who to tell them to go to, because there's nobody else I would recommend to talk to who will have your best interests at heart. First-class service I've ever, it's not just I don't want to say customer service, because it's not. It's treating you like you're supposed to be treated. When you have to go out in the world and deal with people who want to run you off the road, or get what they can out of you, and it's good to be around people like that.